Greetings everyone, welcome back to the first video of 2026.
Yay!
It's Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Today we have the Jurassic World Legacy Collection Reimagined. The Real Feel Velociraptor and Moto Pursuit Pack. So it is a Real Feel Velociraptor. It has a soft belly right here. You can feel it. It's the first time they did this. And you get the dirt bike. It's really dirty. It's like real mud. Well, it's not real mud, but they made like muddy style. The engines are dirty as well.
He's talking to me in the mouth.
You got Owen there with his shark helmet. So we're gonna unbox this today. Alright guys, this is our first video for 2026. Welcome back. Let's check this out. Alright, first we're gonna go to these two Velociraptors. Let's go to the white one first. Alright, one. Okay, let's check this out. The jaw can open up. Look at that, the stomach is soft. It's a little soft. You can really touch that. Tail's already hard, obviously. It's the regular. Look at that. It's nice and soft. The legs, still the same, still hard. There's a DNA scan. So I tried scanning these. I don't think the app's not updated yet. It still doesn't work. So let's give it a few more days. The abdomen of the raptor is also soft. Alright, let's open up this. I don't know what this is. Is this orange or a red one? It looks a little different. This one too has a nice feel in it. Look at that. Squishy. There's the DNA scan. Nice eyes. Nice paint job there. Okay, we got two more Velociraptors to our collection. So I want to say a big shout out to my boy over there, Sephiroth, for getting this for his daddy. Right, Sephiroth?
Yes, Daddy. I got it.
Yeah, thank you, dude.
You walk in that?
$35 plus tax. Well, however, the Triceratops
Expensive.
and the Indoraptor are not out yet. We couldn't find it. Just the Velociraptors and Owen. Alright, now let's go to the motorcycle. Nice bike. I think this is the first time they made it like a little dirty. Add some dirt style in it. There's the Jurassic World logo. Can this move? Oh yeah. Pretty cool. Nice. It's a nice bike. Now let's go check Owen. Let's open him up. Yeah. Let's check him out. Nice and sealed. He's got his shoulder armor right there. His motorcycle vest. Gloves on. And he's got a knife. Oh, it can come off. Look at that, huh? Knife on the back. Knee pads. Okay. Now let's check the helmet. Oh, wow. I can't get it off, guys. Oh, it came off. Okay, so we got it off. Look at that, huh? Even has a shark fin in it. Pretty cool. Let's put it on. There you go. Look at that. That's not bad. Can you take off its armor? Oh yeah, you can do. Yeah, you can take it off. Look at that. There's a little button over there. But I'm not taking it off. Let's see. So this is like a new outfit for Owen Grady. Or Chris Pratt. Now let's check this thing here. And uh-oh. One more accessory. How is he? Looks like a, what does he call this thing? Utility tool. Removable. Oh! Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. We have those right there. What are those? It's the headgear of the Velociraptors. Goodness. Almost forgot about that. So we have two. Did I get everything? Yeah. So let's put it on the Velociraptors. How do you put this on? Let's check the back. So it looks like that. Alright, let's check it out. Okay. There you go. Oh, I see. So that's not bad. There you go. So I don't know. Is it supposed to listen to them? Okay. That's one. Let's put the other one. All right.
Sir, let's go get out.
Okay. While I'm doing this, just trying to say that Happy New Year to everybody there. We're glad we're back for 2026 and going strong, moving on. My next hybrid is almost done. All I need to do is to gloss it up now. Then after that, it'll be awesome for February. February's hybrid will be even better than this month. Alright, there you go. I think I like this white one better. Has red eyes. Okay. So there you have it. Our Velociraptors. Let's put Owen on its motorcycle. Where's this thing go? Oh, it goes right there. My gosh. That's crazy. There you go. Look at that, huh? How does it work? Okay. So he's gonna drive it with this? Wow. Alright, let's fold its legs. Alright, I got it on for the first time. I got it perfectly. Or maybe not too perfectly, so that looks cool. Look at that. Yeah, oh, the hands came off. Well, alright guys, that's pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up for 2026. Okay guys, thank you so much. We'll see you again in the next few days. Thank you. Fare thee well. Ah.